So, bugungi darsning teksti müşahidə tugudi. Hamda, so'zlik tugudi. Hamda tekst kelaylik. Alright. Hamda bu tekstni boshlashdan burun sizlar shu tekstningki bir nimasini aytsanglar, karton film bor. O'shani qisqani ko'rgandan keyin andan qanaqa qilinglar? Andan tekstimiz kelaylik. Okay, endi diqqat qiling.
And meet our employees, Mr. Richards.
Thank you, Mr. Jackson.
This is Nicola Gray. And this is Claire Taylor.
How do you do? Those women are very hard working. What are their jobs?
They're keyboard operators. This is Michael Baker. And this is Jeremy Short.
How do you do? They aren't very busy. What are their jobs?
They're sales reps. They're very lazy.
Who is this young man?
This is Jim. He's our office assistant.
Alright, amsa qaranglar, sağlaşlar tekstimiz keldik. Birinci cümleni deb tursanlar, how do you do? Okay, how do you do? Hamda bu shu tekstimizdagi temasi how do you do? Xo'sh, anaqa bu how do you do degan nima degan gap? How degan qandoq degan gap. Do deganimiz yordamchi bo'lmaydi. Buni kerak o'yinimiz. Okay, you siz do hamda men ikkinchisi nima aytsam qilmoq. Demakchi, how do you do? Demakchi, sizning quvvatligingiz qanday? Demakchi, bu ahvolingiz qanday degan gap. Ahvol so'raysiz. Arada ahvol so'raysiz, ya'ni nima deb deydi? How are you deb bo'lganga tushunami? How are you nima aytsanglar, ahvolingiz qanday degan gap. Endi men yerga how do you do bilan how are you ning ki farqi nima desanglar, how do you do deganimiz ko'pincha sizlar tunji qatim ma'lum birisi yoki birisi bilan ko'rishganda how do you do deb ishlatamiz. How do you do? Tunji qatim ko'rishganda deymiz how do you do? Okay, how do you do? And buning javoban hamda nima deymiz? How do you do desa how do you do deb javob qaytaramiz. Xuddi good morning desa good morning, good afternoon desa good afternoon, good evening desa good evening degandek. Demak endi men how do you do deb desa how do you do deb javob qaytaraman. Okay, first go ahead. Like come and meet our employees, Mr. Richards. Xo'sh, endi come and meet. Nima shu and deganni ishildir. Biz oldingi soatlik darsimizda mana degan to'q, endi bu and ikki buyruq jumlani birisi bog'lash roli bor. Buning o'rniga to'ni qo'yishga bo'lmaydi degan. Okay. Buyruq jumla degan nima? Masalan, o'tiring, qo'pang, anglang, nima? Arada buyruq jumlalar you yuring keladi. You stand up. You listen demaymiz, nima? You yuring keladi, shunga you come. You meet demaymiz bu yerda. Shunga nima come. Okay, come here bir jumla shunami? Meet our employees, bizning xodimlar bilan bir ko'rishing degan yana bir jumla. Demak, endi ikki shu buyruq jumla qitilganda ikkisini biraqlan demoqchi bo'lsak, o'ttirga and deganni qatimiz. Bildingmi bolalar? And deganni qatimiz. Come and meet our employees. And bu yerda ham va bilan degan gap. Come, keling. Bizning xizmatchilar bilan bir ko'rishing. Richard apandim degan gap. Mr. degan o'rnini qo'llashnami? Mr. apandim degan gap. Come and meet our employees, Mr. Richard. Voy keling, bizningki xodimlar bilan ko'rishing, Richard apandim deb. Shunda ichirib ko'rsatishnami? Okay, this thank you, Mr. Jackson. Rahmat sizga Jackson apandim. Chunki hamda u taklif qildingizmi? Taklif qilgandan keyin nima deyish kerak ekan deyadi, rahmat deyish kerak a. Thank you, Mr. Jackson. Thank you, Mr. Jackson. Demak, hamda shunga o'xshash hamda deymiz, come and meet our employees. Hamda paqanglar bolalar, keling hamda bizning muallim bilan ko'rishing degan nima deymiz? Come and meet our teacher, Mr. Richards. Shunami? Bizning muallim bilan bir ko'rishing. Endi men yerga our degan bizning degan gap. Egilik qo'shimchasi. Bizning. Hamda mening demoqchi bo'lsak-chi, my. Shunami? My. Agar er kishi bo'lib qolsa, uning desakchi, his. Okay, agar qizlar bo'lib qolsa, her, uning degan gap. Tushunami? Demakchi bizning employees. Demakchi bizning degani our employees degan bizning xizmatchilar. Xo'sh, endi debdi, uning ekan. Okay. This is Nicola Gray and this is Claire Taylor. Okay. And the bu bo'lsa Nicola Gray and bu yoq bo'lsa nima Claire Taylor. Aniqda bu yoq bo'lsa demakchi, bu biz odamlarni tanishtirganda biz oldingi soatlik darsimizda this is deganimiz nima desam, bu yoq bo'lsa. This degan bu degan gap bo'ladi. Demak, bu yoq bo'lsa degan gap bo'ladi. Demak, sizlar shu birisini haftaning birisiga tanishtirmoqchi bo'lsangiz, shu this is ni ishlatamiz. This is Nicola Gray and this is Claire Taylor. Bu yoq nima? Claire Taylor. And just savodashlar shu ismda qiynalsizlar. Nima? Nicola Gray. Nicola Gray. Yana birisi, this is Claire Taylor. Okay, and the Claire Taylor. Claire Taylor deganimiz umumiy odamning ismi. Demakchi, ikki xon qizni tanishtirib tushunami? Okay. Undan ikkinchi, how do you do? Okay, how do you do? Endi nima desam, tunji qarab ko'rishgan salomlashishni how do you do deb tushunami? Tunji qarab how do you do deymiz, how do you do deymiz. Those women are very hard working. Nima? Those women. And those deganimiz ovular degan gap. And ovu deb bir tal narsani deymiz that. Ovular bo'lsa those. Demakchi those women avu ayollar are bo'lsa very hard working. Avu ayollar entayin tirishchanki. Those women are very hard working. Very hard working. What are their jobs? And biz ilgari what is your job? What is his job? Nugangan shunami? Birlikka uning xizmati nima? Sizning xizmatingiz nima degandek. Endi ularning xizmati nima bo'lsa, hamda bu yer ularning degani their jobs. And their job demaymiz, jiqballa their job deb qo'ydi, ularning xizmati. Uyg'ur tilida aytgan ularning xizmati, herkes ularning xizmatlari deb ketmaymiz-ku, diqqat qilmaymiz. Lekin ingliz tilida intayinda diqqat qildim shunga. Their jobs. Masalan, their jobs are keyboard operators. And the one I say their jobs are keyboard operators. And ularning xizmatlari bo'lsa, kompyuter mashg'ulot xodimlari. And their jobs are keyboard operators. Okay? And ularning xizmatlari nima desam, what are their jobs? Demak, so'lgan are their jobs keyboard operator? And keyboard operator the one what nalamolashtirsak, fitdan oldiga o'tganlar what are their jobs? Ularning xizmatlari nima? Ularning xizmatlari nima? Degandek. What are their jobs? Desam nima desam, they are keyboard operators. Ular bo'lsa kompyuter mashg'ulot xodimlari. Endi mushtan cho'qim oldikayni birdeklik. They are degan ko'plik, ya'ni keyboard operators cho'qim qanday ko'plik shakli bo'lishi kerak. They are keyboard operators. Ular kompyuter mashg'ulot xodimlari. Tushunami? Okay. And u bo'z kompyuter mashg'ulot xodimi bo'lsa, he is a keyboard operator. He is a keyboard operator. And this is Michael Baker and this is Jeremy Short. And the buyoq bo'lsa Michael Baker. Michael Baker da o'qiymiz jumaval. Buyoq bo'lsa Michael Baker and this is Jeremy Short. Yana bir e'lon bo'lsa nima desam, Jeremy Short. Buyoq bo'lsa Jeremy Short. Jeremy Short. Okay. They aren't very busy. Okay, nima? They aren't. They are very busy bo'lsa, ular bek oldirashgan. And they aren't very busy. Ular ancha oldirash emaskan. Tushunami? They aren't very busy. What are their jobs? Ularning xizmatlari nima? Desa, nima? They are sales reps. Endi ma sales rep deganimiz hamda bir odamni ko'rsatishmi? U degan tanishtirib mol sotuvchi. Endi ular tanishtirib mol sotuvchilar bo'lgandan keyin they are sales reps. And they are mashqisdan qisqartirilmasa they are. They are sales reps. Shunami? They are sales reps. Okay? They aren't very lazy. Oh, sorry, they are very lazy. Ular bo'lsa intayin qanday o'rin. O'rin degan neymiz? Balla lazy. And they are very lazy. They are very lazy. Okay, ular bek o'rinmi bo'lsa are they very lazy? Nima? Who is this young man? Okay, who is this young man? And bu yosh yigit chimi dedi. Who is this? Who is this? Chimi bu? Young man. Young degan yosh man degan adam. Who is this young man? Ay bu yosh yigit chimi zade? Who is this young man? So, she is this is Jim. Bu yoq bo'lsa Jim. He is our office assistant. And the office assistant degan ishxona yordamchisi shundan balla. He is our office assistant. He is our office assistant. O bo'lsa bizningki ishxona yordamchimiz. Demek endi bu shu tekstda hamdan muhim bo'lgan narsa nima? Keling ko'rishing, uni degan odamlarni tanishtirish uchun nima? Ularning xizmatlarini, masalan, keyboard operators, office assistant degandek. Xo'sh, chamsa, bugungi darsimizniki language focus qaranglar. Okay, endi bugungi darsimizda intayin muhim bo'lgan nuqtalarni how do you do? Abayim bir qator tilg'ab bo'ldik. Endi how do you do degan nima desanlar, bo'ladimi? Tunji qatim ko'rishganda okay, tunji qatim ko'rishganda shu how do you do ni ishlatamiz. Bo'ladimi masalan, uchinchi bir odam sizlarni boshqa birisiga tanishtirganda birisi aytdi adab yuzidan hamda how do you do deb so'raymiz. Undan keyinchi qanday salomlashamiz desanlar, masalan hello, how are you? How do you do? Okay, what's up? Desanlar bo'ldi. Bizaniki amaliy ahvol qarabchi. Masalan, ha Mike, this is my teacher Jim. Okay, how do you do? Okay, how do you do? Endi bunga javob qaytarganda nima desanlar, how do you do? How do you do? Okay, deydi gapar. How do you do? Desa how do you do? Sama? Okay, endi undan keyin nima desanlar, is the young man an office assistant? Okay. Yosh yigit endi ishxona yordamchisimi? Shunami? Yes, he is. And the no bo'lsa no he is not. Okay, no he is not. Demakchi he isn't deymiz, ha? Okay, endi mana birlik shakli is the young man an office assistant. Okay. And are the two men very lazy? And the yerga men ko'plik bo'lsa, ma i'ga o'zgartirib yozsak, demak are the two men very lazy? And the bo'sh sebekka o'rinmi? Shunami? Yes they are. No they aren't. Demak endi ko'plikka ham shu ular deganda nima desam they ni ishlatamiz. Agar birlik bo'lib qolsa, ana o'xshash he ni ishlatilgan gap. Masalan, is the young man an office assistant? Yes he is. No he is not. And are the two men very lazy? And the mashka deb ko'plik shunami? Ko'plikka they ni ishlatamiz. Yes they are. And no bo'lsa, no they are not. Okay, endi bu yerga what? Okay, bu shu what almashgan alohida savol jumla. Txshu yemenju shunami? Masalan, this is a pen. Is this a pen? Okay, endi bu shu penning o'rniga what ni almashtirib bersak nima bo'ladi desanlar? What is this? Okay, what is this? Bu nima bo'ladi desanlar? What is this? Okay, endi misharika shunga o'xshash, masalan, his job is a teacher, his job is a worker. Uning xizmati bo'lsa nima desanlar? Bir ishchi. Endi bu savolga qaransak, u ishchimi? His job a worker? Okay, endi misharika what is his job? Endi bu worker ni o'rniga what ni almashtirib bersak, bu alohida bir savol jumla endi. Endi mana masalan is his job a worker deganimiz oddiy savol jumla. Arat yiban yivenju deb qo'yamiz-ku. Endi txshu yivenju galantirish uchun shu what shu almashtirni shu mahz shu so'zning o'rniga almashtirib bersak nima desanlar? What is his job? Okay, what is his job? What is his job? Okay, shu bugungi darsimizning asos mazmunlarini tugab qoldi. Savollar agar aniq tushunmagan bo'lsanglar, bizning gapninki ovoz qaytarishlar foydalanib sizlar shu savol so'rasanglar, yoki bo'lmasa, qanday desanglar bizniki undidar savolimni qaytarib, yoki meningki shu undidarimni qaytarib, bu mendan so'rasanglar bo'ldi. Qanday desanglar, qattiq tushunmagan bo'lsa, cho'qim bizni g'oyadan so'ranglar. Biz sizlarga cho'qim qanoatlanarlik, eng yaxshi javob berishga tirishamiz. All right? That's all for today, and see you next time. Goodbye.